So, hello guys, this is John Foster here. So this is a little bit different to what I'm normally posting up on YouTube. This is the terrific Ford Escort. This is the Mark II, and this is the rally version of the Mark II Escort. I remember as a youngster, my first car, believe it or not, was the Escort Mark II. A very capable machine. I did do a little bit of rallying myself. As you can tell from my header, that actually is my in the rally car at Silverstone Rally School. Sort of going back way back now, so quite a few years, but definitely in my younger days. But yeah, enjoyed that so much that I did try to do some rallying. But yeah, money is one of those things, and there's a lot more talent out there than me. But this is the RC model. This is the 1/24 scale. It's quite a nice static model, and by the very capable Italeri brand. So I'm going to be unboxing this to see what it looks like, and let's have a little look. And here it is, all unboxed. Not quite the same as the Tamiya model. We have lots of different bags and lots of different nuts and bolts and screws and such like, but equally lots of detail to do. So this is the actual kit, how it comes. You've got your in the center there, you've got your, most importantly, your manual, your sticker set. Looks like the main body, glazing that goes inside, various components, the main chassis, and then over here it looks like you have the bonnet, and the looks like that probably looks to be the rear spoiler, and again the intricate parts that make up, and the tyres. So this is new to me. I've not done one of these for a long time. Used to be Airfix kits when I was a child. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. Not sure on how to put this together, but we shall work it out with the help of the lovely manual. Obviously there's going to be some painting involved, I would have thought. So I think the bodywork's already painted white, but no doubt you've got the wheels to paint, because I can't see any blue wheels in there, and no doubt there'll be some other bits that are painting and gluing. So we'll get tucked into the manual. So it looks to me like this little kit is going to be a little bit of a challenge. As you can see from first steps 1 and 2, lots of small pieces to put together. There is also, as you can probably see here, a suggested colour code. So they kindly label them up for you, A to M. And so as you go through the steps here, you've got the pulley systems of the engine. So they're painted the colours that is suggested using this table here. So what we got over there, we've got a B, D and H by looks of things. So we've got a flat gunmetal, a metal gloss silver, and it looks like a flat rubber. So to give you the different pulley types, it makes some kind of sense. That looks really good. Bucket seats, again, interiors, painted A, painted G, painted H, to give the interior some colour. And that lovely dashboard there, that's going to be intricate to do. That looks all very good, doesn't it? And steps 3 and 4, so again, individual paintings before gluing. More a challenge than one thought. Look at that little pedal box. You see that little pedal box there? Look. Wow. That's going to be fun. Lovely. What a nice project to do. Again, this is underneath the car, the rear axles. Wow, you even got the painting, the underside rails. it's going to be a challenging one to do. Yes, the front discs, leaf springs in here, look, leaf springs. Then you've got the prop shaft that normally goes from the front to the rear. And then you've got the wheels and tyres, lighting systems, front grille. Wow, lots of detail. And then slightly more larger body panels, the interior glass, wing mirrors, wipers, aerials, bonnet. Wow, look at that. Even got the bonnet prop, rear bumper, light systems, and then to the fun part, which brings it to life at the end, the transfers and stickers. Wow, I've got my work cut out on this one. This is going to prove to be a little bit of a project. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the little run through the manual, and I look forward to start building this one. Going to look rather cracking. Hopefully look a little bit like that. Here we go, guys, here we go. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.